Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about limits and continuity chapter, the problems, the model of questions, right hand and left hand limits. Find the right and left hand limits of the following functions. Hence, check whether the function have limits or those is. Here second Roman first question, f of x equal to 1 if x less than 0, 2x plus 1 if 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 3x if x greater than 1. To check the right hand and left hand limit at a is equal to 1. Here given f of x equal to, these are the three functions in f of x. A is equal to 1. To find RHL, right hand limit. Here f of x is equal to 3x. This is the x greater than 1 function. If x greater than 1, f of x is equal to 3x. This is right hand limit. If x less than 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. This function is left hand limit. Limit extends to 1 plus f of x is equal to, limit extends to 1 plus f of x equal to 3x. 3 into 1, 3. Next to find left hand limit. Limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Here limit extends to 1 minus means to take f of x function x less than 1. If x less than 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Limit extends to 1 minus 2x plus 1. Here x equal to 1, that equal to 2 plus 1, that equal to 3. In this problem, right hand limit value is 3, left hand limit value is 3. These two are equal. Right hand limit equal to left hand limit. Therefore, f of x is exist at a is equal to 1. Problem number 2, f of x equal to x square if x less than or equal to 1, x if 1 less than x less than or equal to 2, x minus 3 if x greater than 2, a is equal to 2. To check the right hand and left hand limit at a is equal to 2. This is the given question. The answer a is equal to 2. First to find the right hand limit. Here if x greater than 2, f of x is equal to x minus 3. Limit extends to 2 plus f of x. That equal to limit extends to 2 plus, extends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. In x, if x greater than 2, f of x equal to x minus 3. That equal to, here to apply in x 2. 2 minus 3, that equal to minus 1. Next to find left hand limit. Left hand limit. Limit extends to 2 minus f of x. Here, if 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. If x less than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to x. Limit extends to 2 minus f of x equal to x. That equal to, in apply x 2. Here to observe that right hand limit value minus 1, left hand limit value 2. These two are not equal. RHL not equal to LHL. Therefore, f of x does not exist at a is equal to 2. Question number 3, show that limit extends to 2 minus Modulus of x minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Here the given question is limit x tends to 2 minus modulus of x minus 2 by x minus 2. Here the given limit is x tends to 2 minus. That means if x less than 2, then modulus of x minus 2 is equal to minus of x minus 2. That equal to limit x tends to 2 minus modulus of x minus 2 minus of x minus 2 by x minus 2. X minus 2 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 2 minus minus 1. Limit x tends to 2 minus constant value, that equal to that constant value is minus 1. Question number 4. Show that limit x tends to 0 plus 2 mod x by x plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Here the solution is given question limit x tends to 0 plus 2 mod x by x plus x plus 1. In this question x tends to 0 plus means x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, then mod x equal to x. That equal to limit x tends to 0 plus mod x equal to x. 2x by x plus x plus 1. X get cancelled. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Limit x tends to 0 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus x. That equal to, in this problem, limit x tends to 0 plus means in x substitute 0. 3 plus 0, 3. That equal to 3. Problem number 5. Compute limit x tends to 2 plus box x plus x and limit x tends to 2 minus box x plus x. Here the first problem. Limit x tends to 2 plus box x plus x. Here limit x tends to a plus box x is equal to a. This is greatest integral part of x. Here x tends to 2 plus, x tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. X greater than 2 to take, if suppose box 2.91, this value is 2. Limit x tends to a plus box x is a. In this question, limit x to find the value of limit x tends to 2 plus box x plus x. In box x 2, x value is also 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Next question, limit x tends to 2 minus box x plus x. Here, this is a small concept. Limit x tends to a minus box x is equal to a minus 1. Here, limit x tends to 2 minus means x less than 2. If x less than 2, to take 1.98, the value equal to 1. Here, limit x tends to 2 minus box x plus x. Limit x tends to a minus box x is a minus 1. Here 2 minus 1, this value is 1, that equal to, in x substitute, in x value is 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Question number 6. Show that limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x equal to 0. Here the given question is limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x. In this problem, to apply sandwich theorem, we know that cos 3 by x values minus 1 less than equal to cos 3 by x less than equal to 1. Each term multiply with x cubed. Minus x cubed less than equal to x cubed cos 3 by x 1 into x cubed. To apply in each term, limit x tends to 0 minus. Limit x tends to 0 minus x cubed, limit extends to 0 minus x cubed cos 3 by x, limit extends to 0 minus x cubed. Limit extends to 0 minus x cubed. To apply 0, this value equal to 0. 0 less than or equal to limit extends to 0 minus x cubed cos 3 by x. Here also to apply in x value 0, this value also 0 less than or equal to 0. Therefore, limit extends to 0 minus x cubed cos 3 by x equal to 0. Question number 3rd Roman, first question, find limit extends to 0 f of x, where f of x equal to x minus 1 if x less than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, x plus 1 if x greater than 0. In this question, to find limit extends to 0 f of x, first find right hand limit and left hand limit at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, x greater than 0. X greater than 0 function is f of x is equal to x plus 1. This is right hand limit function. If x less than 0, f of x is equal to x minus 1. This is left hand limit function. At x equal to 0, first to find right hand limit. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 plus, here the f of x value equal to x plus 1, that equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Next, left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 minus the f of x equal to x minus 1. Here that equal to 0 minus 1 minus 1. In this problem, right hand limit and left hand limit are not equal. Right hand limit does not equal to left hand limit. Therefore, f of x does not exist at x equal to 0. Therefore, limit extends to 0 does not exist. Does not exist. Question number 2. Define f from minus 1 by 2 comma infinity to 2 or by f of x is equal to square root of 1 plus 2x. X belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma infinity to. Then compute limit extends to minus 1 by 2 plus f of x. Hence find limit extends to minus 1 by 2 f of x. In this question, f of x is given. F of x is equal to square root of 1 plus 2x. Here x belongs to minus 1 by 2. Here square bracket, this is minus 1 by 2 comma infinity 2. That means x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. X greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Here to find limit extends to minus 1 by 2 plus x, f of x. Limit extends to minus 1 by 2 plus f of x. Here limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 f of a plus x. This is one concept. To apply this concept, limit extends to minus 1 by 2 plus f of x. Limit extends to 0 f of minus 1 by 2 plus x. F of minus 1 by 2 plus x. In this question, f of x is given square root of 1 plus 2x. Limit extends to 0, square root of 1 plus 2. In x apply minus 1 by 2 plus x. limit extends to 0, square root of 1 multiply with plus into minus, minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2x. 2 get cancelled, that equal to limit extends to 0, square root of 1 minus 1 plus 2x. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, limit extends to 0, root 2x. X equal to 0, square root of 2 into 0. 2 into 0, root 0. Root 0 equal to 0. Next to find limit extends to minus 1 by 2 f of x. Limit extend that equal to limit extends to minus 1 by 2. Here the f of x value is square root of 1 plus 2x. That equal to limit extends to that equal to square root of 1 plus 2 into in x minus 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Square root of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 root 0. Root 0 value is 0. In this video, the exercise 8b is completed. Next, discuss about solved problems. And next video start with exercise 8c. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.